Hi everybody and welcome to today's technical analysis. Hi everybody and welcome to today's technical analysis of the market. And we've been saying right that the market has been going down. Right, for some of you that watched the previous video, we're sorry that there's no voice. Right, we had a technical issue, but here is a little update on the market. As you can see, we've been going down for a while, down, down, down. Everyone is in red. LTC, Ethereum is down 17%, LTC is down 15%, and the almighty BTC has been going down and down and down, right? And we're expecting this, right? This wasn't new. We've been saying that we are still expecting more downward price action, right? As you can see from here, we've been saying that we need to form a lower low. We're still expecting downward, further downward price action, even with the problem that happened with Luna, not sorry, not Luna, with Celsius, right? That is what everybody's saying that kickstarted the sell-off, right? But we knew that we're expecting downward or more downward price action, and it wasn't new to us on this channel, right? It was something we're expecting, right? We said we expected BTC to form a lower low, right? And we're saying we need BTC to come back and take out this 26k, right? That we needed to form some sort of a double bottom, but it's clear right now that that it's not the case, right? And that we were not even bearish enough, right? As you can see, our indicator is still showing a VSS. Is still showing that we have further downward price action to go, right? And probably, right, we're still going to come attack, right, support at the 20k region, right? We have a support at the 20k region, right? And I believe, right, we might come onto this region, right, and find the support here, as we are not seeing enough volume in the market. We are not seeing enough volume coming in, right, to support the market. So we are hoping, right, that we should find a support around the 19 to 20k region, but I think we could still go lower, lower, right? If possible, we could even go down to the 11k region. That's where we have a very, very uh good support. But now let's see, but it's surely evident that we could get to the 19 to 20k region. As we can see, there's a lot more, or we needed to be more bearish, right? As you can see, uh right from here around the 41k region where our EMA ribbons was flipping bearish. I was shouting, I was saying it, we are going down, we're going down, we're going down, and we went down, right? And so you must understand that we still have a more downward price action to go, right? Be careful in the market. If you're trading leverage, we still have more downward price action to go. As you can see, there's still a lot of downward price action to still go in the market. Now, this is the weekly time frame. When we go down to the daily time frame, we can see that that's something else, right? We could see that there's a lot and a lot and a lot. If we open our VVS indicator, as we can see, it's still showing that there's still a lot of downward price action to go, right? There's still a lot of downward price action, and as we can see, there was our BBWP was telling us that there was a bottom here, right? But when we came here, we saw that it was telling us that there's still more downward price action to go. So we should expect that BTC will come to around the 20 to 19k region. And if we are not able to hold that, then we'll be talking about the 11, 12k region. And it's very possible, right? With the macroeconomics and everything that's happening, a lot of news are going to be happening to this week. Let's hope that it doesn't cause another market sell-off, right? So that's just where we are looking at the chart. If you look at the 4 hourly time frame, we're also still expecting, right, a little bottom, right, because our BBWP is telling us that there's a little bottom. So probably for the next few hours, you should expect a sideways action. As you can see, our BBW has signified that, right, we've gotten a local bottom, right, and so there should be some little sideways action here before we go down, right? So for now, please be careful with leverage trading so that uh you're not stopped out of the market, right? But for now, we expect some little sideways action before another major dump in the market. So be careful. We've been expecting this. If you've been part of the channel, this shouldn't be new to you. We've been saying it since from the 41k region that we are bearish. We are bearish. We're expecting further downward price action. So if you've been part of the channel, right, it shouldn't be something new to you, right? And so we've been expecting that. We waited for it. In fact, I shorted it. I was trying to tell you every of the videos. We are still expecting downward price action. Don't be chickened out by the whales, right? If we come down to this other chart, we could see another thing telling us that we are very, very close to a bottom, right? And yeah, we are not seeing a lot of volume in the market, right? There's not a lot of volume. There's more sell volume than buy volumes, as you can see. One of the things we can see is that we're already bottoming on the stock RSI and we are bottoming on the RSI, right? And so we could see that every single time the RSI got to this place, boom, right? After a few period of consolidation, we went up. And when the RSI came here, after a few period of consolidation, we went up. When the RSI came around here, after a few period of consolidation, we went up. After it came here, after a few consolidation, we went up. And after, if as you can see here, I believe there's going to be a little consolidation. We're going to go up, right? As you can see, also the stock RSI on the weekly is on the oversold, right? As you can see, when we oversold here, went up. When we oversold here, after a few days or weeks, we went up. When we oversold here, we went up. So every single time we oversold, we went up. So I believe that there's going to be a little rally, right? Also, if possible, to about 26K, and then we'll dump further, right? As you can see, I told you the next support that we're expecting for BTC is around the 19 to 20K region, right? We're expecting this support to hold. If it doesn't hold, then we're looking at the 12K region. So we're still expecting more downward price action, right? And we're expecting the 20K to really hold as a support. If we go back to the 3 days, we could see that we still have more downward price action, especially according to the stock RSI, right? We still have a little bit of downward price action, and even with the RSI, we're oversold on the RSI on the daily, right? On Bitcoin, we could see that we are very oversold on many of the time frames. We're oversold we're oversold on the RSI, we're oversold on the stock RSI, but our MACD is just about to switch bearish, right? That is the problem. Our MACD just had a bearish cross. So you know that we still have some couple of downward price action to go. So this MACD just flipped bearish, right? And so you know that we have a lot of downward price action to go. So that's it, right? If you know you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends, right? Stay blessed.